working. So I was not only working with the school, I was giving home tuitions, I was giving tuitions, I was not only this, I was giving workshops, and then numerous other additional works were also there. You should always try to go for more than one work. Right. Anybody else would
Ma'am,
like to add on?
more educated person don't want to do lower work.
Yes, that is a problem. That is a
Yes,
problem,
ma'am.
especially in nowadays generation.
Mm.
Okay.
One,
So
I want to add one more point.
please.
Ma'am, one of the reason is we normal Indian people don't want to take risk.
Mhm.
Mm.
Yes.
They
Especially.
they always want uh, secure job. That's
Mhm.
why they don't try for business. And
True.
business always give you a lot of opportunity more than job. It's my opinion.
It's the truth also. Yes. It is the truth. Yes.
We
Because
always wants to work for anyone else
others.
so that we
Others.
get a secure amount in every month.
Mhm. Mm.
And
It is happening in my family also, ma'am.
Acha, okay.
My brother-in-law, he worked in Johnson company as an accountant, but from 2 years he doesn't do anything,
Yes. Acha, okay.
and he is not able to do job business also because of taking
Mm.
risk.
This is happening. True.
Mm.
In business, you want, and you know what? Business is always better when you have a secure amount at the back. Always
Mm.
then go for it. Otherwise, if you're going to invest your entire amount in the business itself,
Mm.
and then if by any other conditions it gets failed, so you have to suffer a lot, and the consequences might go wrong. So you should always think, this is my personal thought, you should always think for a negative part before expecting for the positive one. Because I feel that if I'm going to be positive, no, and if I face the negative, then it would be really hard cracking for me. So it's always better. And if I'm going to face the positive after after thinking over or predicting the negative, so it would be a case that I would really feel relaxed, or it would be a add-on felicity in my life. This is my personal thought. It can be wrong also. So I'm always prepared for this. Always prepared for something negative. Such a negative person I am. Such a pessimistic. Okay.
ma'am, one time
Nice.
Modi ji said na ki why you are bother for job, you can
Huh.
open pakoda shop, and people
Huh.
mm, uh, cut joke on that statement. But I think
Hmm.
he was right, because you can earn more in pakoda
Hmm.
stall
Huh. It
then
is
Why?
then
reality.
Food
no,
stores,
yes,
any food store you can make more.
Ah,
because
yes.
because मतलब वो जो लागत बोलते हैं ना, investment is very low.
Investment.
Investment.
हाँ, and
Mm.
Yes.
margin of profit is
True.
very
Yes,
high,
huge. Yes,
very huge.
absolutely.
So he was right, but people mm, don't
People are,
take it.
not the risk is everywhere, Hamita ji. Risk is also there in the
Yes,
business,
ma'am.
in job also.
In
Because in
हाँ,
job,
in
it's
job
a
also,
private
हाँ.
job. Then
No,
the way COVID
many
was,
And
yes,
madam,
many
in
Anita ji.
the
who have many students who have package of 10 lakh 15 lakh, they left their job and they start their business,
startup,
Yes,
and
especially
agriculture,
in pandemic time.
restaurant, many other fields.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Because somewhere we feel like that again, we can say that pros and cons are everywhere. Because in business, you might get the time for yourself, you might get the time for a family, But the job, it actually bounces somewhere. But then again, if I think about a job like that, that is better because you do not have to worry about that today. Have you got any sale or not? Was there any customer or not? So you do not
Ma'am,
have that much tense situations like that. Huh.
some people are very intelligent. Once in Indore, in Sarafa, Goldman Kulfi. That person
Okay.
wear a lot of gold. Maybe it's real gold or not, I don't know. But a lot of gold, like Bappi Lahiri. And he
Okay.
sell kulfi. The
Okay.
price of kulfi in market is 100 rupees. But if you want to, he speak very nicely and very friendly. And if you want to take a selfie with him, and he offer you gold kulfi, and he
Okay.
a golden foil is there, and wrap normal kulfi, a golden foil on
In golden.
normal kulfi, and he sell them on 250 rupees, and people
Look.
purchase.
Look.
Youngsters, a long queue in
Huh?
front of his shop. And
And he would have
my
actually earned
husband
from
said
that.
after
He
some
would not have
years,
earned the entire day.
he wear real gold.
Nowadays, children are not ice cream.
That was a nice conversation.
My husband said the people are mindless, and especially youngsters.
Actually, ma'am,
Saraswati is actually wearing the true gold.
Instagram is more effectful on their
The social media,
job
the entire
work.
social media.
Commercial. Yes, ma'am.
Anita, you were saying something?
Nowadays, ice cream keeper uh, uh, calling children, and he gave their first cone. Then he take away from them, and
Ha,
That
ha,
is
after
yes,
that
yes, yes.
that is
they
Turkish. That is
they
Turkish ice cream.
Turkish, Turkish, Turkish,
Turkey.
Turkish.
Turkish ice cream.
It is also famous in children, and
Look,
the flavor
creativity.
of ice cream is very worst.
Mm.
Very worse, very bad
Yes,
actually.
ma'am. The taste is very worth and price is more.
More.
Look,
Mm.
just because of
And
the
children
creativity level, they're actually
throw
earning
their
off creativity.
Yes,
They're
ma'am.
not
Actually,
earning off
he's witty people. They are witty
huh.
people.
Witty
Brainy, है
people,
ना
absolutely.
मतलब. Hmm.
The one who's going to go into the job, I guess this is the best thing. Like, go for the creativity more for as compared to the quality. Then yes, the way she said no, and after years, she started wearing the authentic gold. Now, look,
Ma'am, I saw
go for
that man only for 10 to 20 minutes, and I calculate that he earned minimum 25,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per day.
per day.
Per day.
And Manila,
Namita ji,
we are not
Namita
able
ji,
to work the entire month.
You want to earn money very quickly. You did it.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
actually, no. Actually, I want to. Matlab, it's very business is very. I am Marwadi Agrawal, na? And in our caste, business is very common. Only my family, my husband's family is exceptional. They all wants to do
Because
job,
we have seen
government
that
job,
everyone.
especially government job. My
Right. It is a
entire
rare thing.
in-laws family, people
Yeah.
want
For the very first
government.
important Namita ji is Marwari Bane because they are too much into business. And there are numerous folks, numerous sort of YouTubers are there who have actually cracked up jokes upon that Marwari Baniyas are really into business.
Yes, ma'am.
And
सब Bansal Goyal, Mittal Agrawal, सब.
yes, absolutely.
I also want to. Sometime I force to my husband that you should try
They're
for
good.
business.
Business we are into the best one. Government job is actually something very secure.
Namita ji,
We are blessed.
one more man is in Sarafa Bazaar that he offer that dahi balla.
Yes, yeah,
The
Joshi
way
dahi
of dahi
vada.
vada.
Joshi dahi
Joshi
vada.
dahi vada. The
Yes,
way of
ma'am.
dahi vada
He,
is
हाँ, very
different.
unique.
I have revived your memories, huh? Okay.
Yes.
So I just want to give you that related to pronouns. Okay, I just wanted to cover up a very short part of it. So as soon as possible, I'll try to cover it. Fine. We have done I. We have done you. Are you people making the sentences?
You.
One or two sentences regularly,
Yes,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
ma'am.
with
I,
I.
we,
Absolutely.
and
Which one we have done? I, we.
yes,
I
ma'am.
and we only.
I and we.
Okay. Today, let us just write down those particular pronouns upon which you're going to make the sentences. You, yourself, you, yourself, yours, and your, and your. Now, what is the difference between your and yours?
Your means possessions.
हाँ, possession हो गए. Your bag, your book, your food, and yours. That is also possession, but it is only used as object. It is yours. The book is yours. वो possession में last में object में use हो जाता है. ठीक है? That is the only difference. But जैसे अगर आपको use करना है noun, so before that your use कर दो. Noun नहीं use
Like
करना है,
ma'am,
just at the हाँ.
like my
Yes.
and mine. Like my and mine.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay.
Hmm.
So please frame the sentences with it. Next is they. They. Have you people written on it? No, I don't think so.
They.
Yes,
They.
ma'am.
They. Haan. First is they, them, they, them. The next is themselves. Not themselves. SELF. Never use self. Always in
We.
pronunciation also use it. Themselves.
Themselves.
They should.
VES.
They should themselves. Okay. VES. Themselves.
And there.
There. Yes. THEIR. Always keep your writing skills also up to the mark, because THERE and THEIR is a frequent mistake done by most of the students, most of the people in written. Okay. So THEIR is the pronoun that is used for they. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
question
ma'am.
you even want to ask related to this they or you?
No, ma'am. Related with
No.
not this, but I want to say something.
Sure.
Ma'am, I want to say sometimes we didn't get time for English, and especially for me, it is very tough.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Mean I and we sentence I already sent in WhatsApp group.
I and we, huh?
Yes.
You have
Ma'am.
sent me. Sorry. I have not checked it. I'm so sorry.
Yes, yes.
I just forget it. So
Ma'am.
I'll definitely check it right now. Okay. I have a class.
Okay.
1 to 4.
Okay.
In that class, I'm free. So I have to check your work also, Mansi's work also. She's 8 to 9 batch student. I have to check 2, 3 worksheets because I was so busy
But I
yesterday.
also sent sentences.
That we have discussed. Remember?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
we
Yes,
wala.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I continue?
Yes, Anita ji.
So at that time, I take only class, and sometimes I also didn't take the class. So I think it is very difficult for me, and so it is happened in 12 months. I will do it or not.
Now, Anita ji, frankly, do you have 15 to 20 minutes in a day for yourself? Leave about my class. Besides that, do you have 15 to 20 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, Anita ji, one more thing I wanted to say. If you have time, go connect with Neetuji, she would also have 10-15 minutes. Okay? Or Namita, whosoever you feel. Try to text them up and ask them then when do you have the time. And then talk. Because that is going to help both of you. So please try to assist her. That 15-20 minutes or 10-15 minutes are going to be really helpful for her also and you too. Okay? Please try to assist her. And Anita ji, please talk to your daughter in English. अपनी daughter से please be very frequent. कुछ भी आपको serve भी करना है ना, even the food. So you have to ask, shall I serve the food? Whatever the name of your daughter is. Shall I serve the food, dear? Like that. Always, or if she wants anything in the salad or anything else additional to it. So how would you ask? Shall I give you this? Shall I give you this? Shall I give you the water? Whatever. Because mothers ask a lot of things to the child. Right? Children are not that active, but a mother is always active towards the child. So start talking to her and to Neetuji or Namitaji. And for except these, I'll try to think over more options for you. Okay?
Thank
One
you.
more
Bye
is
for
there,
now.
ma'am. One more is free class of my friend, that also for practice only.
Okay. Now look.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, beta. I was actually texting to texting to my student because we had a class at 1 o'clock. I'm so sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Bye.
It happens.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sometimes
Have a nice day.
we call her out. No,
Good
beta.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.